Good morning. I wanted to go over your assignment for this week. So this week you will be working in Module 1, and it's an overview of curriculum. There is a discussion post there that you've already done that I'm going to be looking at later today. There is a video of me doing an overview of this module, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about the professional article. So this is the professional article review and reflection. There is a rubric here that you can look over. You can actually find your article and insert it here in the rubric. Just be sure that when you pick a journal article, that your article covers the K-6 curriculum areas. If you have special interest in music or the arts or anything science, STEM related, just something that you're interested in, make sure that it is a professional journal. It doesn't have to be a research study, but it has to be based on research. And then what you want to do is just summarize the article. Don't use article quotes. Put it in your own words. Don't plagiarize, but put it in your own words. Then reinforce your understanding. What did it help you to learn or to rethink? And this just follows. You can put your article right there. Here's the rubric with the key points. One of the things that sometimes students struggle with is the bibliographical information. At the beginning or the end of the article, you do need to add your bibliography source. So make sure that you use APA format. I think if you've had research methods, you should have been introduced to this. You can always Google it. There's a really helpful website from Purdue University called OWL, O-W-L, that has lots of resources there for APA. So I'm not as particular about a title page, but you do need to use APA when citing information and for your reference. And that is pretty much all I have. I just wanted to get you off to a great start this week. And hopefully this article, this is a 50-point assignment, which is your first big assignment. So good luck with that this week, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.